Hey people, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is yam with fish sauce. I am going to show you how I prepare this delicious, easy, simple meal. You are going to love it. Please help me to share the video, like and comment. Thanks. In my pot, I'm going to add fish, onions, curry, and bouillon powder. I'm going to add also a little amount of water. Remember, fish is not that hard, okay? It is soft. That's why I'm going to add a little amount of water, and thereafter I'm going to stir and then cover to let cook. And guys, as you can see, after cooking for some minutes, I have to stir again and the fish is ready. So I'm going to remove the fish and then cut my tomatoes. These are the stuff I'm going to use: onions, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet pepper. So the fish is ready. I removed it and I also removed the bones. So in my pot, I'm going to add my vegetable oil and then add my onions. I'm going to stir for some seconds, and thereafter I'm going to add my tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. I decided to cut my tomatoes like this. In fact, that's how you should do it, okay? It's more better because when it's cooked later on, it will not be too soft. Remember, tomatoes is very soft. So I added the tomatoes, the bouillon powder, and thereafter I'm going to stir. And guys, like I said before, this recipe or meal is very easy to prepare. You are going to love it. I decided to add a little more pepper because I love my food to be spicy. Okay, so after letting the sauce cook for a little while, I added my fish. As you can see, I cut the fish in smaller pieces. Okay, I don't want it to be too big. So after that, I also added my ugu leaf, also known as pumpkin leaf. So, and I'm going to cover to let cook. And guys, as you can see, that's it. The sauce is ready. You can call this tomatoes fish sauce. Yes guys, that's how I prepare this delicious food you are seeing here. You can also eat it with rice, with swallow, with yam, plantain, whichever thing you want is fine. So that's how I prepare this delicious food. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. Please help me to share the video and I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye.